Class 10 Mathematics. In that triangle chapter, we have exercise 6.3. We are solving in that 7th question. If you see, this is the figure given to us. And triangle ABC, CE and ADR altitudes. CE and ADR altitudes of triangle ABC. The altitude means it forms a right angle here. C is ABC triangle from A. D is a point on BC, which is AD is altitude to BC, and as well as CE will be altitude of triangle AB, so that it forms right angle here, and as well as this angle also 90. Then this also will become 90. Here there are set of things are given to us which we need to prove that the given triangles are similar by using any of the similarity criteria. What is similarity criteria? If you see, in the beginning we are solving angle or angle similarity criteria, or we have side similarity criteria, side similarity criteria. Mainly here for us they gave us the angles, one of the right angle. By using this right angle set or angle similarity rule, we have to prove that the given set of triangles similar. These are 4 bits are here. In that all 4 are similar. So one I will explain in detail, remaining 3 you can do, because everything is same, there is no difference in one bit the other bit. If I say all the 4 bits also, you need to work out. So I will tell the first one, the remaining 3 you can do. Everything is same. Similarity criteria is same, and as well as what we are observing, that also same. In that first they are asking us to prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDF. AEP is similar to triangle CDF. In order to prove the first one, first in order to prove that these two triangles, we need to start from the triangles itself, so that which similarity criteria fits in that we have to apply for these two triangles. Now for our convenience, if we draw these two triangles, and now here we have many triangles in this given figure, but we need to focus on only these two triangles, because we need to prove that these two triangles are similar. Then we need to identify which criteria fits here for that triangle AEP. If you see, this is the triangle AEP. If I draw that here, A, E, we have one more, the other side it goes. If this I take it as P, AEP triangle. In this AEP triangle at E, we have right angle here 90 degrees. Whereas the other triangle, if I take triangle CDF, CDF we don't have here. The labeling, the diagram which I have drawn, I am missing something. Prove that triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. For AEP I have drawn here. They located one of the angle in that AEP triangle is 90 degrees, and the other one, if I take CDP triangle, if I draw that CDP, if I take at D, it has 90 degrees here. So you need to see only these two triangles here instead of seeing the whole figure. In that AEP triangle and CDP triangle, which we need to prove as similar. Now you see in AEP triangle, here at angle E is 90 degrees and here at D is 90 degrees. So one angle in both the triangles is same, 90-90. And the other triangle, if I take the angle which is found at P, here is the common angle. So two angles of this triangle are equal to the two angles of this triangle. So we can say that these two triangles are similar by angle similarity rule. So in order to prove that the first one, you start from these two triangles, we need to mention it. Here in triangle AEP and triangle CDP, we mention here angle AEP, that is the 90 degrees here, and the other one, if I write angle CDP. This is why these two angles are equal, each 90 degrees. The other one is angle, the common angle here, angle APE is equals to angle CPD, common angle in both the triangles. So the two angles of this triangle are equals to two angles of the other triangle. So I can say that therefore triangle AEP is similar to triangle CDP. Similarity rule also we need to mention, that is angle similarity rule. Hence, this is the first one. Similarly, for the remaining 3 bits, the same figure. Similarly, you draw the rough diagram, rough triangles, so the small triangles which you need to prove as similar. Definitely, you will get one angle as 90, other angle as common in all the 4 bits. So that you will need to do that the remaining part, the 3 bits. Next one is question number 8. If you see the question in your textbook, E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. Show the triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. So first we need to draw the figure. Figure is not given for this question, so we need to draw. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram. That means first we have a parallelogram here. If I label that as ABCD is a parallelogram which is given to us in question itself. E is a point on the side AD. This is the side AD which is produced. Produced means nothing but extended more than that. If AD is produced, you are getting a point E on the side AD which is produced. E is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersects CD at F. BE intersects CD at F. This is CD. And if I join this B and E, you will get BE. This BE intersects CD at F. So this point will be F where BE intersects CD. The point will be F. Show that our RTP here is triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB. These are the things which are given to us. ABCD is a parallelogram in which BE is joined. AD is extended, and that extended part we have a point E, and BE we have to join. In that BE intersects this CD at point F. So ABCD is a parallelogram. So a word came parallelogram. The trapezium comes. We need to know the properties of trapezium. We need to use that. Here they said ABCD is a parallelogram, so we have to use the properties of parallelograms. See, this you learned in 9th class, but even so when you learned it in 9th, so even it you know all that means. Here you have to apply that in this question. So what you learned in 9th will be used situationally even in 10th. Now whatever you learn in 10th, situationally you will use it in higher classes like 11th or 12th. So our RTP we have to do the triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. ABCD is a parallelogram if you write in the given part. ABCD is a parallelogram. And what are the properties of parallelogram means? A parallelogram is a quadrilateral in which both pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal. Opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. Adjacent angles of a parallelogram are supplementary. And the diagonals of a parallelogram bisect each other at right angles. Out of all these properties which are needed for us, that we need to prove. Here if I see triangle ABE and triangle CFB, I have to prove that similar. Triangle ABE and triangle CFB. If we locate the triangle ABE, we have worked with only these triangles ABE, A, B, E. So this is the triangle ABE which I need here. I have to prove the other triangle, that is CFB. CFB. That means this triangle. One is in blue. That is CFB triangle. Other one is ABE triangle. So in these two triangles, if we see in parallelogram ABCD, we have parallelogram and we have two triangles. Out of that, the required property we need to see here. In a parallelogram, one of the angle is A and the other angle is C. And this angle A and angle C are opposite angles of the parallelogram ABCD. And we know that in properties of parallelogram, opposite angles of a parallelogram are equal. That means angle A equals to angle C. angle A equals to angle C. The one angle of this triangle is equal to one angle of this triangle. So if I prove that one more angle of this triangle is equal to this triangle, I can apply angle-angle similarity rule and I can say that the two triangles are similar. Simple. So how to prove? So in a parallelogram, if I take these two are the opposite sides of a parallelogram, one is A, B, C and D. If I take this, if I join, this becomes a, this AD is parallel to BC in a parallelogram. If the parallelogram they mention, that's enough that opposite sides are parallel and equal. That means these opposite sides AD and BC are parallel to each other. So since they parallel, this AD and BC are parallel and this BD will become a transversal. So the angles which are formed here will become alternate angles. Alternate interior angles are equal. If the two parallel lines intersects by another line which is a transversal, then the both the pair of alternate interior angles formed are equal. So that here the alternate interior angles, these two are alternate interior angles, so that which are equal. Here the problem diagram when I see that this you label it here. So write this as angle 1. I mention this as angle 2. The figure diagram you draw as that overwriting one. Lines are drawn more. So I am not able to locate them clearly. You write that this angle as 1, this angle is 2. This angle 1 equals to this angle 2. This angle 1 is present in triangle CFB. This angle 2 is present in triangle ABE. So that these two angles are also equal, so that I can apply angle-angle similarity rule. I can say the two triangles are similar. In proof, if I write here, in triangle ABE and triangle CFB, angle A equals to angle C. This is why opposite angles of a parallelogram. If you don't know this property of parallelogram, you cannot. Even you don't have if you don't have the idea of alternate angle also, you will get confused in solving this. So things which you have learned, you should not forget, and that we should be useful later on in other chapters. One more angle 1. I'm not writing the name. So in figure, you have to mention which one is angle 1, which one is angle 2. Drawing in your notebook, you mention that angle 1 equals angle 2. That is because alternate interior angles, those are equal. So therefore, triangle ABE is similar to triangle CFB by angle similarity rule. Hence proved what they asked us to prove. What is the eighth one?